Hello amigos, my name is Jatin and welcome to my channel Techyrators. In today's video, you know about what fdisk command is used for, how to create partition in Linux operating system, how to delete partition in Linux operating system, and what mkfs command is used for, and how to give file system to any partition. So basically this video is about partition in Linux operating system. So, if you want to know about partition in Kali Linux, then watch the full video and let's get started. So now open your terminal and check what fdisk command can do. So run fdisk and enter. So we have to choose an option, that is fdisk -l. So first check with man fdisk. So fdisk command is used to manipulate disk partition table. You can check different option that works with fdisk command, but here I'll show you the main option, that is fdisk -l. This option is used to print the partition table. So you know that your device name is /dev/sda. Now you can create different partition. With fdisk -l command, you can check how many partitions are there and your partition, your device name. So let's create first partition. Let's create a new partition with fdisk command. Fdisk / your device name, that is /dev/sda, and enter. So here you can press N for help, and you see you can check these different options and do different tasks. Now we have to create a new partition, so just we can add a new partition by pressing N and enter. Just first sector is being blank, and in second sector, that is last sector, you need to write the size or give the size of your partition you want to create. So plus your size, that is 10, let's say 10 GB, that is 10 G, and enter. So here created a new partition 6 of type Linux and size 10 GB. So let's check P. So a new partition /dev/sda 6, that is 6 added and 10 GB, and the type is Linux. But what the type is? So you can change the type by pressing T, enter, and let's say 6 partition. So L to list all codes. Here you can set different types for different partition. Now we choose our default type, that is 83 Linux. So press 83 and enter. So change type of partition Linux to Linux and P. So you know now how to create a partition. So let's check with different options, that how to delete your partition. So to delete the partition, you need to press T and enter, and your partition name, that is 6, and enter. And when you press P, that is print the partition table, enter, you see 6 partitions are deleted. And one thing more, in the MBR partition table, you can create maximum of 4 primary partitions. And if you want to create more than 4, you can create 3 primary partitions, 1 extended partition, and in extended partition you can create multiple logical partitions. So now you know how to create partition, how to delete partition, and you can check with different options how this work. And after that you create the partition, you need to just W to write table to disk and exit. So let's create partition again, and plus 10 GB and enter and W. Now after you create the partition, you need to write the command that is part probe /dev /sta, that is your device name. Part probe is used to refresh the partition table. As you added, you need to reboot your system to get the partition. So now part probe is just refresh the partition table. Now we know what mkfs command can do. So mkfs command is used to give partition a file system. So write mkfs dot, you can press tab to check your file system available in your system. So the default is ext4, and now /dev /sta6, that is your device name, that is a new partition you created, sta6. Enter. Now mkfs also format the partition. If any data, when is any data remaining in a partition, that is formatted. Let's say an example. When you change the file system of a partition, of a existing partition, then it's format that partition and your data will be lost. So you know mkfs command and fdisk command. As check it, fdisk -l, your partition is added, and you can check plkid, run command plkid and enter to check your partition detail, that is partition name, that is uid, uuid, that is type, and partition uuid. So this is the end of the video. This is how you can create partition, delete partition, and give partition your file system. So if you like my video, do click the like button and also subscribe to my channel Techyrators, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get all updates on my channel. And my next video is on how to mount partition to a directory so you can use a partition. So do hit the bell icon to get updates of my latest video. And for now, bye bye.